Hello and welcome to today's podcast. In today's episode, we are going to discuss a very important Supreme Court case, Tej Prakash Pathak versus Rajasthan High Court. This case deals with rules of selection for public post and whether these rules can be changed once the process has already started. The Supreme Court has ruled that the rules of game for selecting candidates for a public job cannot be changed once the selection process begins. Let's look at the detail of the case. In 2009, the Rajasthan High Court advertised vacancies for 13 translator posts. According to the original rules, candidates had to appear for a written exam and then an interview. But after the exam was conducted, the then Chief Justice of the Rajasthan High Court, Jagdish Bhalla, imposed the rule that only candidates who scored 75% or more in the exam would be selected. As a result, only 3 out of 21 candidates were selected. The rest, including our petitioners, were not happy with this sudden change in the rules. Now look at the argument from both the sides. The petitioners Tej Prakash Pathak and others argued that changing the rules after the selection process has already begun is unfair. They said it's like changing the rule of a game after it has already started. This is against the principle of fairness and transparency, which are protected under the Constitution of India, especially Article 14, which guarantees equality before the law. On the other hand, the Rajasthan High Court argued that they need to impose a higher cutoff to maintain higher standards for the post. They pointed out to another case, State of Haryana versus Subhash Chandra Marwa, which allowed such changes to ensure equality. The Supreme Court has heard similar cases before. In K. Manjushri versus State of Andhra Pradesh, the court said that the rules of selection should not be changed after the process begins. This is important to ensure fairness. But the Rajasthan High Court relied on another case, Subhash Chandra Mehrwa, where it was said that the higher cutoffs can be imposed to maintain high standards. Since the issue was important and needed clarity, the case was referred to 5-judge Constitution bench in 2013. It took several years for the final hearing to happen, and then the case was heard by a new bench in 2023 led by Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud. The Supreme Court in its final judgment agreed with the petitioners. It ruled that once the selection process begins, the rules cannot be changed midway. This ensures fairness and prevents any kind of discrimination. The court said that this kind of retrospective decision making is not allowed. This case is very important because it upholds the right to equality and fairness in public recruitment. The Supreme Court's decision means that once rules are set for a recruitment process, they must remain the same throughout, and no sudden changes can be made that could affect the candidates unfairly. To sum it up, the Supreme Court's ruling in Tej Prakash Pathak versus Rajasthan High Court strengthens the idea that public recruitment process must be transparent and fair. Candidates should not face sudden change in the rules during the process. These decisions also remind us of the importance of protecting the fundamental rights of individuals, especially when it comes to ensuring that public appointments are made based on merit and not arbitrary rules. Thank you for tuning into today's podcast. I hope this case helped you to understand how the law protects fairness in recruitment for public posts. If you want to refer for study notes of the same case, the link is mentioned in the description box. Until next time, stay informed and keep learning. Goodbye.